damn milk.
What's going on? How we doing? Oh, yeah. What's going on? How we doing? Don Waffles Pushback, Trader NQ, Tony, Don Donovan, Owie, Waffles. What's going on? Let's go blue chips. I love it. Got a nice little trade in here right before we got everything moving. I was actually setting everything up. This thing went straight up. Traded it on the Apex 300K eval as well. Pretty much the same entries, except I got a third entry right here over 700. And I held all the way until we broke a candle. So my take profit was 622. Let me see. 624.75. So up 258 on the growth account, up 1610 on the Apex eval. Big difference. Wish I would have taken the same trade over here. Although the biggest day on this account is $1,000, and so I don't want to go over that. You're in that on the upside. Nice. Weird. I like loaded that up as something else. Oh, da, da, da. All right, my thing might disappear here for a second. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, it didn't. We're good. We're good. We're good. Properties, browse. There we go. We're good to go. Got the updated spent on props there. La la la. All right. Well, here's yesterday's close. The high of today, it's 842. I heard last night was pretty crazy. We scroll out, had a nice big dump last night through that yesterday's close. Look at that, actually. Yeah. That one looks a little scary. You were trading this, that could have... I mean, you did get bounces, but not much. Very bottom to top here, that's what, 7 points? 8 points? 13 points? This one's a little bigger. 30 points? Yeah, I don't know. That would have been a tough one to get out of. But I am looking to try to start copy trading again and put a max loss in. But this growth account, I want to see if we can get it to pay out before I start worrying about that. Jason, good morning. I know, I put it back. I mean, it worked fine for me. I mean, it doesn't do anything special for like stuff that isn't far away. Yeah, lenses are pretty important. All right. Zishan, good morning. It's a great day in the neighborhood, Donald. What's up? I didn't trade till this morning. Literally took the opposite on every trade. Oh, doesn't sound good. We're regaining, though. That move. Nice pullback. And then now that rubber band, baby. That rubber band, baby. I actually made a video yesterday. Sent it off to the editor. About my strategy. A little bit more in depth, like kind of what I'm looking for, etc. So we'll see how that turns out. I feel like I could have made it better, but can always come back to it later. Start calling me the rubber band man.
Gay!
Yeah, you are. You're super happy. Some waffles. Kind of in the mood for some pancakes this morning. What do you guys think? Are you trading micros or minis? Right now, I'm trading minis. They're dangerous. But yeah, I'm trading minis. Waffles, it's actually funny because I do like both, but I like waffles better. My wife prefers pancakes. I prefer waffles. Just to let you know. Hell yeah, Zishan, let's go. The heck was that? So how many can you trade with your account size, and what size is this account? This is a 50K account. I believe Tradeify allows you 4 mini contracts. Yeah, she actually makes her own pancakes too. Like, not from scratch, but she uses the mix and makes them. The kids like both, but she makes pancakes. It's so funny because pancake and waffle mix is essentially the same thing anyway. It's just literally how you prep it. What happened with my layout? You see that? You guys seeing this too? What the heck is going on? Did it do that last time too? Might have to revert back to the other one temporarily. Waffle sticks? Eh, they're okay. I like the whole waffles because you get the... Yeah, it is doing... What the heck? Needy! Needy, are you here? All right. I don't know what's going on there. All right. I put it back on the old one for now. That one obviously, something's wrong with it. What area code is 786? Anybody? 786? Texas? Miami? I just didn't feel like Googling because I was saving it. 786 area code. Miami-Dade County. I'm in talks with a new prop firm. They wanted to do a call, and I was talking to a guy. Yeah, Texas. I mean, you're at least in the right hemisphere, huh? Jason, good morning. If it's in Miami, it looks sketchy. Yeah, just looks like southern Florida. Download. Today is a good day to give away Tradeify TPT account. Yeah, so is Friday. I don't have any TPT accounts. You guys stopped using my code this month for some reason. Like hold on. I'll show you guys. Let me make sure this one doesn't show anything. I show you guys this, I think, all the time, but. Yeah, so look. In order for me to get accounts, we need to get there. That's 250Ks. They actually upped, look at this. It's now 350Ks. I know some other affiliates, I won't name names, but they say they get all of this in like the first week. There's one person I know that says they get it in the first 3 days. Like all of this. Like that's insane. And I'm over here just hoping to get it by the end of the month. But we're already halfway through the month and we're not even close to halfway. Where last month, for some reason, it kind of took off. Of course, this changed. We only got one of those, but yeah, we need to get here to get the giveaway accounts. Not even close. I'm not hiding it from you guys. TPT with that 5-day eval is hard to compete with Apex 1-day pass. Well, yeah, but the live accounts are way better with TPT. But think of it, because you take 5 days to get through the eval, but then on the very first day of the funded account, you can YOLO that shit if you really wanted to. Can I have the 5K? What, the crypto account? You bought one last night, Don? Sweet. Donald. All right, here's the open. No, I'll never complain about you guys signing up. I'm just saying the accounts that to give away, that if I don't get them, I can't. Like Tradeify gives me accounts without people signing up as much, but because people aren't signing up as much, they're talking about taking accounts away that they're allowing me to give away. So it's like it's a shitty situation, because it's like unless people are signing up, they're not going to keep giving me the accounts. With Take Profit Trader, they don't care. Like theirs is just rules based. You make a certain, or you sell a certain amount of accounts, you get a certain amount of accounts. That's just how it is for everybody. Gotta stay warm. Gotta stay warm. I might trade this on the Apex eval. Ah, dang it. I was going to look for it to bounce right off that previous low at 600, which it did. I just didn't get the entry. I was going to get long there. It happened too fast. Instant 30 points. Instant 50 points. Instant 70 points. Holy crap. That would have been nice. What's today's giveaway going to be, King Tim? Man, you guys think I'm rich or something, huh? I'm definitely going to give away the 5K crypto account. Baby, going towards the highs here. Started a short position on the 300K Apex account, just looking for a retest of like 77. Actually, we'll go up to 82. Sitting at 82 here. Entry 706.50. Looking for 82. Ugh, got the 90. What was that? Got to 88 actually. Sitting at 82, take profit. Ooh, pop back up. This is a risky trade, but I have a lot of room on this account. So, oh, you dog. 80. Oh, got it. All right, out there. Now up 2,100 today on that account. That's just the eval, nothing crazy. Big eval too, so plenty of room. Heard that he's giving away smiles today. Give away smiles every day, baby. Trying not to get... The range is actually pretty decent today, so gonna try to be a little more careful on this main account. I don't want to get caught in something and be down like $500 instantly. Now, if we hit the bands, that's a different story. I'll go for it, but... Head it back up. See if we can't get a break up there towards 750. The current high of day is up at 842. 842. I'm hopefully giving away $190 today too in cash money. That'd be nice. All right, headed up to 750. I am going to start a position here in at 756, looking for the retest down at 720. Take profit order at 722. This is a risky trade. I'm on the eval. Getting close to wanting to be in on the other account. Just not quite. If we got like up into the 780s there, I'm taking that on this account, but... We're right at yesterday's close too. And we went right through it, actually. I just noticed that. Damn, I was about to take that. It's alright, I want more. I want more. Not getting more. Damn it. I should have at least got the ad there on my eval, but I didn't. I was too focused on getting a good entry on the growth account. Take that and get a 50k eval and change everything. I mean, could. Hopefully you change the setup. What are you talking about? What's wrong with the setup? All right, I am gonna snag and add on the eval. Still looking for the retest down to 720. I'm gonna put a contract out above 750 just to reduce risk. Still looking for an entry over here. I'd want up through 800 at this point. Still below the band, so this is always a risky trade, but still looking for that retest down to 720. First take profit at 753 if we can get the 750 retest. Right now we're just printing green candles. Looking for that red stuff candle. Yeah, buyers are holding this up. Not feeling super confident about it at the moment. Might actually just look to get out. If we can get a chance here. Average is at 771. Nice little rejection at 800. See if we can push down off of that. Or we're going to go through. Going through. I have not added yet. Again, at least on the eval. Still looking for this to try to pull back. Kind of want out at this point. This feels very strong. Move my 722 order up to 758. So now I'm just looking to get out. Hopefully above 750 here. Because I think if we pull back, we're not going to pull back all the way to 722. At least not yet. This feels pretty strong. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. This isn't good if we don't get it here because this thing might just shoot straight up and go. High of day is right there at 842. It's literally bouncing off my average, 771.50. 772.50 is what it got to. Literally bouncing off my average. Market being a dog. That's why it's risky when you get in before those bands. Damn. Gonna go to the high? Trying. Yeah. I tried to grab an ad on the ask there on the way back down. Didn't get it. Might have been a good thing. I canceled that order for now. Looks like a fake out thus far. Yeah. I marketed in an order kind of where my ad was. Average is 77 now. Getting one out at 774 if I can. Bounce right off my average again. Geez, 777. My average, it went to 779. I'm taking my ad off at the highs here. trying again. All right. Got one out at least. That last ad, but of course it's bouncing right back up. Probably should have just took the whole thing off there, break even. This might just rip straight to the highs here. Coming back down. I put another order out at 771, and then we'll see if we can't get the bigger pullback with the last contract. Oh no. My order's at 771.75. Okay, just got that. See now, see if we can break this. Stop out at the highs on the last one. Down to one contract left. Or it's right around our average right here. We should have broke there if we were going to break down. Probably should just take this off and be happy that we got out. But this probably comes down and retest 720 at some point. I was hoping this was the break. But they might try to run it higher one more time first. There we go. Come on. There we go. Dump it. Dump it. Put an order out at 727.25. See if we can't dump. That's a nice little dump candle. Continue, continue, get down there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Alright, took it off. Took it off there at 752. It didn't seem to want to break through 750 and continue, so it might just retest this 770 and then reject, but worked out. Up 2803 on that eval now. Still got a ways to go. You need 20K in profit there. We're up 8K. Leia, what's going on? Yeah, kids had a good weekend. I had a good weekend too, but yesterday we came back to work, so work. There's that full 720 retest. Dang. Probably could have caught it. All right, let's see what happens if we bounce here. It's that line we were talking about. Probably bounce off of this, at least temporarily. Yeah, I know. I'm not showing it at the moment. Here, I'll switch. I'll show you this chart instead. Just gotta log back into that one now real quick. Yeah, we got under that level. I don't like it now for a bounce. We might go all the way back down to opening where we opened at. Yeah, that's weak. That's very weak looking. Really wish I would have held out for that 720. That would have been nice. That's an extra 30 points, but and you guys hear me say it all the time. What happened to my line? Oh, I drew the line on the other one. Key area, right? Resistance from pre-market. Used it as resistance again at the open. Broke through, extended. What usually happens? Come back and retest. Just wasn't as fast as I would like it to be, but at the open, it's always hard to really hit those bands. Just because they spread so quickly because of the volume. Yeah, this is a big sell-off. I'm about to go long if we break 650. 'Cause This very well could just dive right through 600 and say that's our next key level down here. Looking left. Yeah, that would have been a... I was in short, just didn't hold it. I would have been out here anyway, so... Of course, the one time I don't do previous candle is my stop, but that's only because I didn't want to give back anything. Once we got this dump, I didn't want it to come back above my average. Still an $800 trade. Not going to complain about that. All right, let's see what we do here at 7. If this rejects, this could be a good short. All right, running into it. I want to see this kind of try it a couple times, and then if we start to roll over, might jump in short, because I think this goes... If this continues to roll over, we're going down to at least 600. What's gold doing, just out of curiosity? Trying to come back down. Silver, I'm assuming, looks the same. Oh, wow. Silver pretty much gave the entire move back already. That's crazy. Gold's at least holding up a little bit. Wow. Well, we retested, but it's just failing. This is weak. Be careful. This is real weak. Didn't even get the double retest and rollover. This thing just failed. I'd actually try this.
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
Quick scalp under 50 here. Little 20-point scalp if we can get it. Just looking for the retest of 50 before it completely dies off. There
Order
it is.
filled.
Take that. Quick $400. Never going to complain about that. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of a no man's land where it's not setting up any kind of structure minus the V. Isn't there like a free drawing? I thought you could free draw on here. Polygon? That work? Low is down here at 518. Guess I should draw that line too, just in case we get there. I mean, we're not that far away from it at this point. I mean, we're getting no actual structure here, right? You're looking for breaks of key areas, retests. Sure, that's what we got, but it all happened in 2 minutes. Usually you want to see that happen over the course of like 5 minutes, right? Test a couple times and then roll over. Not just boom, boom, boom. Like that's just a sign that the sellers are not done. The account that I'm using right now is a $300,000 Apex eval. This is an eval. Stocks are popping. Very interesting. I mean, I guess it's because of just the volatility that we had overnight. Because we had this big move overnight. But then we kind of went sideways the rest of the morning. The sellers are not done yet. Bam. There it is. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I want to see like 80s, 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 80s. I hit the button. We're lagging. Careful. Pretty sure I hit the button. Oh shit, I hit it twice. That's okay.
Order filled.
Guys, it's lagging really bad. Careful. I hit it twice. It's probably going to fill me again here. I also tried to put a take profit order out here. Nothing is working. If we get a pop towards 600, I'm just going to start spamming the exit button.
Order filled.
Yep, there's the
Order
there.
working.
All right, it's catching up. I didn't want to keep clicking there. Unfortunately, now we have 2 contracts. I didn't want 2 contracts there, but it's okay. Just gonna put both of them out under 600. It already gave us the 600 retest though, so it's kind of scary that we might not get it again. I went to 596. That was a nice dump candle though. I would expect a retest. Unfortunately, it just rejected a 600. I don't like the fact that we have 2 contracts.
Order filled.
I took one off, basically break even, just because I didn't want to anyway. Oh, I still have 2 out here though. There we go. I'm gonna go up for the actual retest here. 605-ish. Looking for the retest of the break. Just looking for the pop through 600 here into the retest. If the sellers are still in control, they'll reject this area. But the idea would be to get to that first to then reject it. It's been doing a pretty decent job of retesting the levels before rejecting again, so that's kind of what we're hoping for here. So far, not good. Might go shoot the lows. So be prepared for that. All right, we're gonna go. This feels like they're trying to step in for a retest, but sellers are controlling right now. Just looking for that quick shoot up through 600. Let's go. We might shoot the lows. Be prepared. Be prepared for the low touch. God, that's 70 points away. That's crazy. This chart is pretty crazy to look at right now, actually. Be very careful. You should probably be trading micros, but I'm on the 300k eval, so.
Order working. Order filled.
All right. Looking to just kind of get out of this at this point. Not a huge fan of it. I will add again if we shoot the lows. Yeah, I'm looking to just get out of this in case we run the lows. Because this thing could just break the lows and go. Which is what I want. I want that, but I don't want to be in it when it happens. I want to get out of this first. I was okay going for the retest if we held here, but we didn't hold there. So now I'm just looking to get out. Of course, we're under 50. Need the pop through 50 real quick. Just no bounce, man. Absolutely no bounce. What a candle that was. That was it. How big was this candle? 77. Yeah, over 100 points in one candle. That dump was pretty crazy. We're going to snap the lows here. Hopefully it's a little fake out. That's good. Hopefully this is a fake out and we just get a little pullback real quick and then it can do whatever it wants. Straight down. No pullback. Damn.
Order filled.
Taking another ad here off of 500. Just looking to get out of this. This is definitely not the trade I was hoping for. This is an eval. Keep that in mind.
Order working.
Definitely being a little bit more aggressive. If we were in on the growth account, we would have blown that account already. We're down over $2,000. But I wouldn't be trading this kind of ATR with that 50K account. I would be on micros. Need some sort of a bounce. At least we're under 550. Hopefully we just get out of this. Come on, get me out. Get me out. Yeah, see, it just keeps coming up and rejecting the bottoms of the candles. If we weren't already in, I mean, these scalps would be amazing, but 24,500 break and we might be in trouble. Like this thing might shoot down to like 460s. There we go. Quick little fake out through. Come on, just give me a little pop here. Where would we bounce to, even if we did bounce? That's the thing. I don't think we're getting back up to 600 right away. I just want to get out of this. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, out of that trade. We'll take that. Now we want it to run lower. I don't even, I mean, again, like I was saying before, there's no structure here. There's nothing, there's no key levels kind of being broken and retested. It's just selling off. It's just selling off. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. It's just one of them crazy sell-offs, and you don't want to be on the wrong side of it. Like, in all honesty, you could probably, if this starts to fail again, and this could really sell off. Let me look at the daily real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot we had this line down here, 330s. That's probably where we're headed. Look at this, support, 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 all off the daily. That's a pretty key area. See what happens. Increase my mic volume? Is it that low for everybody? Or just do you have your volume down? Pastry, this is a 300K with Apex. Yeah, but they're all the same price right now, guys, with the sale. The 150K, the 250K, and the 300, they're all the same price. They're all the same activation fee too. So if you've ever thought about trading 300Ks and you usually trade 150Ks, you can grab one for cheap. Rolling, baby, rolling. Let's see if we can roll it. I want to see a big push. Get a big extension. 450s, I'll probably enter again. How much money do you need to start getting paid? Yeah, that's the problem. Well, this is the eval, so you need 20K to pass the eval. And then I'm assuming you need that again to get to the buffer. Right? Because you need the buffer. And the buffer is the same as what you need to pass the eval, if I'm not mistaken. I want to get another drink, but I don't want to miss a trade for a drink. There's 10 o'clock. Yep, 10 o'clock. Whippy whippy. Distance to drawdown. That is how much drawdown you have on the account. It's 7,500 is the total drawdown for a 300K account. Waiting for 315. Yeah, you're gonna be waiting a while. I mean, it's very possible, but if we can see some sort of structured, like if we can come up here and start to like base and try and fail and start to roll over, there's your short. But I mean, when it's doing this, I mean, where do you get in? Like, at what point do you enter a short? Maybe here, because you had like you could have had a line here. I mean, it's kind of drawing it with the bands right now, but maybe you have a line there because resistance, 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 kind of support, and then resistance again. But it happens so fast too. Like, I don't know. There's really nowhere to enter a short here unless you just held a short from all the way. Could you imagine I'm still holding this? This kind of, when did I get out? 752. We almost 300 points. Obviously, I don't do that, but it would have been pretty cool to still be holding that. Does it reset every day? No, it does not reset every day. It's a trail on Apex. It's trailing. So whatever this is, it stays. That's the one bad thing about Apex. But I'm going to tell you guys with the winky face that that's probably going to be changing soon. I don't know how soon, but soon. All right, I'm going to go get a drink real quick while we're bouncing. Guys, I totally forgot to tell you guys something. It never goes up, only down. Correct. The highest it can go up is 7,500. Whatever your starting drawdown is the highest it goes. That's how trailing drawdown works. So if you start the account at 300K, which I did, and you go up to 310K, you're not up 10,000. You're technically only up 7,500. You're up 10K on the account towards the total amount that you need. But as far as drawdown, the drawdown follows you. So every new high you make on the account, the drawdown follows you, and it's always where you started. So the max drawdown on this, so like a 50K, it's 2,500. That's what blew my accounts on Friday. I don't remember what day it was, Thursday or Friday, with the CPI numbers, because Tradeovate lagged. The price went straight up after it filled me, but because I only had, I think it was 1250 in drawdown because it was the 25K accounts, when it came back down, it closed me out for trailing drawdown, even though I was in profit like $2,200. Because when it hit the top, my drawdown followed me all the way up, even though my take profit order was down here and it should have filled it on the way up. But since Tradeovate lagged, it had me in the position all the way up here. So when it started to come down, when the lag finally fixed itself, my trailing drawdown was way up here. So it couldn't get back to my take profit order in time before hitting the trailing drawdown. That's why trailing drawdown sucks. And that's why I'm pretty sure everyone is trying to get away from it, because they know that people won't trade with them because of it. Now, when you're trading for real, like when you're in a funded account and stuff like that, trailing drawdown isn't that big of a deal, right? You shouldn't be risking the whole account anyway. But when you're just trying to quick pass evals, it sucks ass because of exactly what happened on Thursday. I still have not taken a trade on the growth account. We have not touched the bands yet today. Just FYI, we have not touched a 3 band yet. I actually feel pretty good about how I traded that. I didn't like that we almost got stuck, but the fact that I could realize, see, this is where I would struggle before. I would get greedy instead of just taking the break-even trade. Would it have worked out? Probably, but that's not the point. But see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, where there's no reason for it to stop here. This is just randomness. There's no setup here, long or short. You could argue you could get long risking the lows. That's fine. But as far as getting short here, looking for it to roll over, we didn't run into any key areas. The only key area we had, we didn't even respect it, which was the current low or the previous low. This was the low of Friday? Nah, I don't care about that. I mean, shit, we didn't even respect yesterday's close either when we got there. I mean, it was at the open, so it kind of makes sense, but... What just happened? It's trying to use the previous low as support right now. I feel like that's the only argument you have for a possible trade here is getting long and using the current low as a risk. I mean, that's pretty far away, though. 62. You get in here, you're risking 60 points. But I'd want to see it kind of start to bounce off of here. Right? I mean, there's absolutely zero structure here as of right now. Dun, dun, dun. Let me change Marble's time real quick. Let's go. While we're kind of chilling here, we can get some entries going. Exclamation point Marbles, get them in. You got 5 minutes. This is for the death map to give away some cash monies. Cash monies. I say after somebody finally wins this one, we go back to the golf one again. That golf one's just fun. What do I want here? Probably I would like to see it roll over again and continue down. I'm just bearish at heart anyway. If you guys haven't watched my new shorts and videos, go hit the like button on those. I always appreciate you guys helping me out with that. Streamlabs is being weird, by the way, for me. It's not reloading the dashboard here. Trying to load, and it loaded. Sweet. All right, let me load up Marbles too while I'm thinking about it. Rob, are you in here? I am now a Tradecopia affiliate as well, by the way. So Code VOLA will work there. If you guys are interested in using that, I'm gonna be using it. It was great. It worked great. I just need to get enough accounts funded. I only have one funded account right now, so if I can get this 300K account funded, I'll probably link it up and I'll just 5x 5x the entry on it. All right, this is starting to feel like we have some structure, making lower highs here. But now we got to break this 500 level. We break 500, we probably go straight back to the lows. Just trying. This could very well just be a fake out too at 500, and then they'll rip it higher, being a lower high, or higher low, sorry. All right, so far it looks like we broke it. See if it continues. If this bounces to 500 and starts to reject, this could be a good short. Risking 572. You want to see it reject here. If this rejects, this could be a good short. This might just absolutely roll over. Dude, this market is crazy. That's too much. You don't want to see it bounce that high. It's such a 50-50. You got 50 seconds for marbles. Get them in. You just don't want to see it bouncing like this. This feels like it wants to go right back up into the range. Trading is very 50-50 right now. Just be careful. Putting some names in while we watch this. You kind of want this to go sideways for like the next 3 minutes. Honestly, if you're looking for a short, you do not want to see this doing what it's doing. It's too aggressive. Hear that snare line in there in this song? I've never heard that snare line in this song before. It's good. It sounds good. We just need 1,000 people to enter because we've proven that with 1,000 marbles on the track, it can be beat. All right, closing it up. Tech Uncovered is the last one. My hat is like really tight today. Oh, I totally forgot. Hold on, before we do anything, let's see if this loaded up. I have something to show you guys. Check this out. Look what we finally did, boys. Oh, where's my camera? Leia, I think you were in there. Let me see. No, you weren't. Oh, wait. No. I'll have you. Dude, I don't even want to eat today. I just want to get away from it. I want to run into 200 and leave it as resistance. Run it into resistance, baby. And just down. No more 2. I don't want to see a 2 again. I'm done with it, man. I'm so done with the 2. So done with the 2. Did I call you? What did I called you a boy? Did I? I don't think I did. I am 5'9", Fast Trader. Yeah, so I've been on a weight loss journey. If you go back even like a month, not a month, I'd say like a couple months. Yeah, look, we broke structure on the chart. Again, there's no trade here, guys. There's no trade. This was actually doing what you wanted it to do. You wanted it to go sideways and hold resistance there and then start to roll over. Then you have a short. But obviously there's nothing here. You could, in theory, long, but you'd be chasing, still using the low as a stop, but that's so far. That's almost 100 points away now. The metric system? Yeah, sorry. I don't use metric. Yeah, I started at 246 is what I started at. So we're almost down 50 pounds. We're getting close to the 50 mark. I've done this before. It's a sad time that I even have to do it again, but here we are. All right, how many we got? 78. All right, let's see if somebody can beat this for $190. $190. Let's get it. Yeah, I got pretty fat again for a little bit there. I was almost 250. Every time I get to 250, I'm like, no. I'm here exactly. Look, last time I did this, I went from 250. I've never seen 250 on the scale, but every time I get close, I'm like, whoa, all right, time to kick my ass into gear. But I've been like 248. Like I've been close. I've been close, but I haven't done a lick of exercise minus like playing with the kids since I started. I told myself I wanted to fix my diet. I wanted to fix my eating issue because I love food. I mean, anytime I stress, anytime I, get into a bad mood or what, like food is my comfort. So I knew that was what I had to fix first. So I told myself I'm going to see a 1 before I even touch the gym. And that's what I'm doing. So now that I see the 1, I'm going to head back to the gym and start weight training. Chart broke that 570 area. Now we're headed back up pretty strongly, actually. And now is where the fun begins with my weight loss. I would like to get to 195 before I go to the gym because I just fear that if I go to the gym right away and start lifting, I'm going to go back above 200 because I'm going to start taking some creatine, etc. I'm 5'9". Yeah, 200 needs to be my no-no. Wow, look at this chart. I might take a stab short here. Taking a quick stab short here. Looking for the 600 retest. All right, nobody made it on the rail anyway. Just looking for a 600 retest real quick. I thought I was getting 620 as a fill. I got 615. I'm only looking for 604 here. Just a quick guy. Here, actually, since that ended, we'll switch over so you can see it. Just looking for the quick retest. That was a pretty straight up candle into a key area. Just trying to reject it. Come on. Just quick little retest. Quick little retest. You son of a bee. You son of a bee. That's not good. What did that get to? 607. All right. I'm going to probably just look to get out of this now.
Order filled. Order working.
Just looking to get out. I don't want this thing to just go straight back to the highs. Oh, come on. Come on, previous candle, previous candle, previous candle, previous candle. There we go.
Order filled.
Right. Back to marbles. I don't even want to look at the chart right now. I mean, I'm going to be looking at it, but I don't want to think about trading it. Absolutely ugly chart. I was just trying to take advantage of a quick little scalp, but could have gotten serious trouble there because this thing could just go straight back to the highs. In centimeters, what is 5'9" in centimeters? It is 175 centimeters. I'm actually probably closer to 176. I'm as close to 5'10" as you can get without being 5'10". I'm like 5'9" and 11/12. Let's see, Wait, why does that say 5'8"? Hold on. That's wrong. 5'9". Okay, so I'm 181 centimeters. I don't know why. I typed in what is 5'9", and it came up as 5.75 for some reason. All right, yeah, I'm 181 centimeters. Yeah, but when you put that, I mean, here's what I'm looking at real quick. When you put in that, it says 181. Oop. Got 3 chances here. Oh! Stop, 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 stop. No! No! Wow, one punch straight. Are you flying? Leia! Nope. Donovan? All right, we'll go back over here. I know you guys aren't stuck. Chart, if it doesn't bounce here at 570, looking left, this thing probably goes right back to the lows. All right, we'll play at least 2 more times. All right, it is trying to bounce here at 570. Now my cells look stupid. I should have held, right? Looking for that full retest, but it didn't. It wasn't telling me I wanted the retest. It was telling me I wanted to go back to the highs. 5'9" is not 5.9. Oh, okay, okay. Gotcha. So it is 175. All right, 175 centimeters. Now I know that. I don't think I've ever like did that equation and then like remembered it. Because most people will figure it out for themselves. I don't think I've ever been asked to figure it out myself. Where are you going, Nature? How did you get there so fast? This could very well be a short now because we failed to move higher. We failed to get back to key levels up here above 650. This would be your risk if you do end up taking a short. If we can kind of go sideways here and fail, you'd have to be risking 650. That's 100 points away. That's crazy. I don't know. That's pretty volatile today. Stop. No. Don going straight down the middle. I've never seen that barrel get hit. I don't even know why it's there. Oh, this has got a shot too. No. All right, one more. The market is being very irrational today. Very irrational. Oh, this chart, man. I don't know what to think about it. Hit it. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. No. Come on. Oh, no. All right, back to the chart for now. I remember years ago on Tinder, I said 5'9" because I was 5.9 feet. And the girl said, that's a shame. You're yummy. But I want 6 foot minimum. I thought that's weird. It's almost the same. 181 is 5'11". I don't get it. What? You're confusing me. 5.9. Oh, because 5.9 is like 9/10. And we use 12ths per feet. Got it. Yeah, I got it. I had to think about that for a sec. I like long walks on the beach with my boyfriend until the LSD wears off. And then I realize I'm just dragging a stolen mannequin around a Wendy's parking lot. Where do people come up with this stuff? Where do people come up with this stuff? All right, this is actually shaping up to be a pretty good short. If we can bounce off of here and stay below it, this thing could just fall off a cliff here. I mean, if you really want to look at it, this is almost the first lower high from the move up. Like, that's a crazy move. That was 820 to 460. That's 360 points. That's crazy. That's a huge move. Ladies 5'3" always say they need someone at least 6'5". Have you ever did those? Have you seen the people that use that website where you put in what your ideal man would be, and then it tells you the percentage that they exist? It's pretty funny, actually. And all these girls are just like, "Oh, yep, I'll find them." Okay. Hey, I need to call the fish store today. I need to take, anybody want to come pick up like I don't know, like 20 plecos, personal nose plecos, and like 30 black mollies? Have way too many. Way too many. They just keep multiplying. I need to take them to the fish store. I'm hoping they'll give me some credit because I want to get some guppies. I want to get me some guppies. Add some color to the tank. I know they're going to multiply too, but my superfood tastes like fish food? Ooh. What's that? What's what? This is looking like a good short here.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a short here, see if we can't go touch the bottom. Stop is going to be above this here, 575. God, 70 points. That's crazy. I'm just looking for a scalp down here to the lows.
Order working.
All right, putting a stop in, break
Order
even.
working.
I don't love my entry here. This could very much be a fake out. Just looking for the quick scalp on the break here. Ugh.
Order
It
filled.
just wouldn't fill me. I took it off. Just looking for that quick little scalp. I'll take it. Lanto is in a short. Nice. Are you in isn't his room private? Yeah, I'm glad I took it there. It didn't fill me twice, so just took it off. I would take like one of each. I'm not a fish person, but my youngest loves fish for some reason. Hey man, if you want to come get them, you can have as many as you want. Do you have a tank? Oh, guppies? You don't know what a guppy fish is? They're like they look like tetras, but they have the tails that are like really like they almost look like, I don't know, like almost like a guitar pick kind of. Like it goes out. It's almost like and then it has, I don't really know how to show you. It's kind of like that, and then this is the bottom, and they're really colorful. Yeah, I'll just show you a picture. What? All right. Those are guppies. They're really colorful. I just need to add some color because right now I have black mollies, which are just solid black, and I have bristlenose plecos, which are plecos. You ever seen a bristlenose pleco? The reason I got bristlenose plecos is because plecos will grow to the size of your tank. Dang, they can last up to 10 years. That's crazy. But they have these like fins. Let me show you. Or like, not fins, they're bristles. Damn. Should have held oh baby.
Order filled.
Looking to scalp this.
Order
Nothing crazy.
working.
Just 10 points. Just looking for the rubber band. Just looking for the rubber band. 10 points. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. There
Order
it is.
filled.
Just looking for the quick rubber band. It's 10 points right there. I'll look to scalp again if we can get the push down through 450. This was the first time we had any kind of structure, right? We had the big move up, it failed, got back below that previous high that it made, and then we just never got back to it, right? That was the first time we saw an actual setup, and that's why I took it. It was, to me, it was pretty obvious it was going to go test the lows. Unfortunately, it just didn't test it right away, but it's his TV link. What is this? Wait, you can see his live trades based off of his chart? Oh, so this isn't like his actual trade. This is just him drawing on the chart? This is on the daily. Oh, big pop there. How do I change this to the minute? Gotcha. So he might not technically be in the trade, is what you. I gotcha. But I'm assuming he is, because he's not one to lie. I was just kidding. So this is what a bristlenose pleco looks like. See how they got like the bristles on the end of their noses? But they only grow to a certain size. They only grow to a certain size, which is why I got them. Because I didn't want real plecos, because they grow too fast. And then these are the black mollies. Which black mollies are awesome when they're in a tank with color, because they like they give you that contrast. But right now it's just black mollies and the plecos. But then it doesn't update. Interesting. Gotcha. So your drawdown, sorry Jason, I missed this. So your drawdown is now 7,500. It does go back up. Yeah, but it maxes at that 7,500. That's what I'm saying. Drawdown is not good for people who like to hold trades. And like if your system is you look for big take profits, but you also like will go to break even. Like say you're up $2,000 on a trade and it comes all the way back to break even, your drawdown would go down to 5,500. Does that make sense? That's how it works. If you know his strat, you know when he's in a trade or not. Well, there you go. That's all that really matters, right? Let's give it like another 10 minutes or so, and then we'll give away the 5K crypto account. This could be another short entry here if we can reject this 500, 510 level. Keep an eye on it. But as of right now, this looks like a liquidity grab under that previous low. And we only broke it by 10 points. This very well could run all the way back up to the highs from here. You see this all the time. Where they'll come down, they'll make it look like we're going to break and die. And then it just, look at that. We only broke by 10 points and then this thing just goes crazy. Or we come up, reject here, make another lower high, and we just go lower. Again, you got to wait for some kind of structure to get one of these types of plays. That's why I don't really like them. You have to be way too patient. I never do the same anyway, often the opposite. Wow, this looks like it's just going to go straight back down. We'll see what happens here, but I would have liked it to hang out around 500 a little bit more before rolling over if I was to short. I'm definitely not going to short at the lows. That's a no-no. But this could very well just dump if it breaks the lows. So if you ended today at 6,500 on drawdown, tomorrow you could build it back to 7,500? Correct, yes. Yeah, but it's always going to be a max of what you start with. So like if you start on a 50K account, it's 2,500. It's always going to be 2,500 is the max. But it's going to follow you. So like if you're up $500 on the account, it doesn't go to 3,000. It stays at 2,500. Like you can see, I'm actually up. If you look up here at the total amount, I'm up $9,303. But my distance to drawdown is still 7,500 because it follows you up. Hate holding short. It's true until it just dies, right? And then it's hard because it's like, you know, the bounce is coming at some point because then you got to hold through the bounce. That's why with this account, I was trying to take like multiple contracts if I'm going to take a short position, because then you can hold at least you get out one and then hold another. Today, though, it's hard to take multiple contracts because, I mean, this volatility is pretty high today. From high to low right now, we're sitting at 400 points. So you want this pop. This is the pop you want. Now you want to see it kind of hold it out up here around 500 and go sideways and then start to roll over. You don't want this to just go straight back down because how is that an entry? Any funded account? Yeah, I traded 250. I'm up 258 and 48 cents on the growth account. That's currently the only funded account I have at the moment. This is a tough trade if you're looking to go short here, because you're essentially counting on it going through the lows and just dying. We don't want to see it break above 500 here. If it goes above 500, this is pretty much probably going to go back up. You want to see it? You want to just start seeing like small increments down from the top of these candles. If we get above 500 here, this thing probably blasts right back up into this 550 range.
Order filled.
I'm going to just do a little quick.
Order working.
Risking over 500 here. It's like 15 points, but I'm looking for this to just die straight back down for like 30 plus points. Just assuming we're not going to break above here. This is me predicting. I don't predict. So if I'm wrong, it's on me. Yeah, see, that's not what we want. That's not what we want.
Stop filled.
All right, gave a little back there. That's on me. Oh, don't you dare fake me out. Come on, better go higher. Oh, it did. Okay, it did. Yeah, I took a risk there thinking, and this is why I don't try to predict, because you don't know what it's actually going to do. And look, I did tell you, though, if we did break this area, we're probably going straight to 550. This could very well just bloop, straight back up now. We get a big candle here, though, up towards 550. I might look to make that back. What did we lose? 87. 509 is like 20 points. 13. Yeah. 22 points. This could be a little fake out too. That's it held there. Yeah, this is probably gonna go back up.
Order filled.
I try previous candle. Oh no, bitch. This is just me trading an eval, being dumb. Just gonna literally go right under 500.
Order
here.
working. Order working.
Looking for the 550 test. Get my 20 points back. We test the top of this candle again. I'll move to break even. I don't want to do it right away. I want to see it try to get through first. Yeah. You bitch. You bitch. Go. Yes.
Order filled.
Yes. Yes. That's the pop we were looking for. Dumb trades, guys. Don't take these trades. This is just because I'm on an eval and I'm just taking trades. These big shorts started around January 22nd. One big wedge down since. Look at this trade. Should have held it. Boom.
Order filled.
Give me that 50
working.
retest. Give me that 50 retest. Give me that 50 retest. Rubber band me, baby. Rubber band it. Rubber band it. Come on. Bitch. Almost immediately in profit. Just couldn't get the extra push that I was looking for there. This could get hairy, guys. So be very careful. Fake out. Liquidity sweep. Look at this. And now we're trying to head back up. It could very easily go back up, break 640, break 650, and just go. Be very careful. I'm not looking to stay in these trades long. It's hoping for it to just rubber band back for the 550 retest and then do whatever it's going to do. Give it to me. Go. Just does not want to pop down there. Go. Go. Go.
Order filled.
That little attempt there was it. It didn't give it to me. This might go straight back up now. Took it off. Did you see that little jerk? That little jerk. It was supposed to fill me. Ah, you biatch. It's okay. 300K account makes it so different. It really does. It's okay. We did get the 50 retest though. Happy with that. Just had to be a little more patient. All right, we got our loss back plus some, so. What the hell is wrong with Maddie's mic? The What is going on with this mic? Did he do this on purpose? Does it still sound like that? No, he doesn't. I went and checked.
He needs some milk.
Damn, he blew the Tradeify accounts again. Jesus. Guys, I would not touch this short, by the way. You would need this to come down here, try to bounce, and then fail this high before I would even think of a short here. All right. Should we do the giveaway? We're in no man's land at this point. All right, let me change it back to 1 minute. Exclamation point, Marbles, get them in. You got 1 minute. Go, 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 go. This is for a 5K crypto account from Trader's Launch. If you already have one, don't enter. If you already got one, don't enter. If you would like one and you didn't win one yet, enter. Let's go. It's almost over. It's almost over. I'm going to close it before. Oh, actually, you guys have until I get the members in there. All right, closing it up. One punch. One punch trader is the last one. Prime hits real. You got in there. I'll leave it. I'll leave it. Let's do that other race today. Where's it at? Where's it at? Did I miss it? Oh, no, here it is. All right, this is for a 5K crypto account from Trader's Launch. Hopping out. If you win, we'll just run it back. Oh, this looks like a new one. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Looks like you do want to be first. It's got the drop at the end. So all you got to do is be the first one to drop in, and you're a winner. Good luck. Winner takes home a 5K crypto account from Trader's Launch. Oh, Sai Ian tried to take a shortcut. Didn't work out too well. Jason. Jason sneaking his way through. He's got 2 marbles out in front. Check this guy out. Pushpack said, get out of my way. I'm coming, boy. Ooh, Jason sliding through. No, Jason, you were going too fast. Too fast. The other Jason up there now. Jason. Cashier Z1I. Ooh, gets the slowdown. Watch out for the hole. Jason. Can he slide through the middle? Cannot. That might be okay, though. Oh, look at Jason go. Jose Gonzalez, subscriber to the channel. Welcome to the Volley Gang. May the ticks and the marble rolls be with you. Watch out for the... Oh, it disappeared just in time. Can he finish it off? Oh, Jason, winner, chicken dinner. Jason with the win. Congrats. You haven't won, right? Not one of these. Nope. Trader's Nest never got back to me yesterday. I think he was getting the email and then just didn't. Jason. Winner, chicken dinner. Jason 6573. He said, cool. Cool. Radical. Gnarly. Exclamation point marbles, you got 5 minutes. Get them in. We'll run the 190 cash giveaway. Or try to give away. One more time. Well, like 3 or 4 times. Jason, go sign up with Traders Launch. Shoot me your email address that you used to sign up with them, and I'll get you taken care of. And then come pick up some fish. You know what? I'm going to call them right now because I need to call them anyway. All right, give me a sec. I'm calling these guys. Just sent me to their like fax machine. What the? I wonder if they just opened because they're not answering. It says they're open. It says 10 o'clock. Oh, we're just going right back up, huh? Get a big push up towards like 700 here. I might be interested.
Order filled.
Rubber
Order
band, rubber
working.
band, rubber band, 10 points. I was just a smidge early. Just looking for the retest of that break of the this candle here. Rubber band, give it to me. Damn it. Not liking this. It's holding up pretty well. Trying to use 650. If I don't get it here, I'm probably gonna peace out. Yeah, I don't like that. That was supposed to fill me.
Order filled.
Just gonna take it off. I don't like how. I was gonna say I don't like how it was playing around there. All right, marbles. Yeah, you got 30 seconds, maybe. Oh no, it's already over. All right, you got until I get the members in because I got to redo the members. Looks like a good cut. Looks like it still might work out. We'll see. I'd love to see it rip higher, honestly. 72. You're laggy? Oh, sorry, Tony. I'll add you. I'll add everyone up until Tony. I didn't start yet, so. We might just go back to the highs. I want to see it push up to 700 here.
Order filled. Order working.
Give me that 20 points, rubber band, man. Give me that 20 points, rubber band, man. Just can't get the full-on rubber band. Go. Give it to me. Give it to me. Are you kidding me?
Order filled.
Is that like all my take profit orders, man, are just like a couple ticks away from where the damn candles go. It's ridiculous. Pushback. You were in there, weren't you? You were not. I had my order was just right there. It just would not grab it. I was like 19.5 points. Not 20. Starboy and Iraq. All right, you guys are the last two. All right, 79. And we're having a pretty good day on this account. I was hoping to get the 5K. I'd love, that's kind of what I was aiming for. It was like 5K days. Try to pass this in like 4 or 5 days. What was our big trade? Oh yeah, our big trade was over here in the pre-market, or not pre-market. We held a contract, or it was pre-market. It was over here, yeah. All right, busting up through 700. See if we can get up into the 720s. Now look for the 700 retest. Push, 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 push. We're going right back to the highs. It's crazy. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Well, now you're going to give me previous candle right away? I mean, that was only... Oh, yeah, it was tough. You suck, man. I wanted to hit the button and I didn't. And if I would have, it would have worked right away. Joke. What a joke.
Ha! Gay!
Gay! For sure. Like, for sure, for sure. All right, now looking for yesterday's close. Guys, look at this move. It's a straight up W. Blue, 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 blue. Question is, are we going to respect yesterday's close this time? I was so bearish today too, especially after the little fake out to the upside and then this push down. I thought for sure we were just going straight down. Instead of doing that, just start getting rid of them like this. Want too many lines on the chart. Looking for the big candle. Looking for one of these. Not touching it unless we get one of those. And look at my entries. They're both on candles that look like that. None of these small candles. Looking for that rubber band. At yesterday's close. See if it respects it. Trying to go right through. 750's right there. Wow. Wowzers. Keep going. Keep going. Push. I'm actually gonna pull up my growth. I'm gonna go to the MNQ. Looking for a trade on here as well. I'm gonna start with 2 MNQ contracts if I take a position on the growth account. We're that close to the bands where I'm gonna at least have it ready.
Order filled. Order working.
Not in on the growth account. Need a much bigger push for that. Looking for like the 800 push for the growth account. Just be careful too, because we're getting close to the highs again. Just looking for previous candle. Be about 11 points if we can get it. God, man, my take profit orders are freaking repellent today. Candle repellent.
Order filled.
There we go. Take it. Let's go. Absolute candle repellent. All right, that puts us halfway. We're halfway done this eval. Let's go. I didn't forget about marbles. I was just... Trading comes first. Guys, we have completed the W. Look at that. Bloop, 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 bloop. Straight up W. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to draw anymore. W. I'd be really surprised if we don't at least try 815. I don't see how we don't try 815. You don't make a move like this, come up here and not retest it. It might just have to chill out for a minute. Which means marbles! 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Ooh, cream sodas are coming today. So fast. So furious. Ugh. Raul! Raul said, I'm going for it. We got one left. What the heck was that? Run it back. Run it back. Chart's trying to bounce off of yesterday's close, which is exactly as expected if it wants to try to run that 720 or 820, which I don't see how we don't. Honestly, this could be a good long right here. Oh man, should have grabbed it. Right as I said it, the candle flew up. I was going to say take a long and risk right under yesterday's close. Would have been a beautiful entry there. Pastry chef, how do we sign up for Marbles game? Well, first you DM me. I give you my address. You send me your best pastries, and then I put you into the race. Now you just got to be here when I have the signups going on, and you type !marbles into the chat. That's it. Man, that would have been a good long. Son of a bee. Oh crap, what am I doing? I was even watching. I just didn't, I don't know, it just didn't register. Oh well. Didn't matter. All right, two more. Send me those pastries. Nope. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. No, come on. I thought that one had it for sure. On divergence master. Get on there. Ugh. Watching you, SP. Watching you. Please be our king. One more. Trying yesterday's close again. We did break that current high. Not by much. Good old MACD. Pastry chef. I'm sorry. We do these back to back, so you can only do it when I'm signing up. It would take too long to keep doing it every single time. I run like 4 of these at a time. Unless we're doing actual giveaways for accounts, then I'll do it every other. Zoom in. Like, you want me to zoom all the way into a marble? Some of them have like little fishies. See if we can find one. Maybe it's not on this track though. Papa now. Going straight for it. Let me follow them with prayer. Yeah. Oh, we did bounce again. Trying to go higher. We did break the... Oh, no. Papa now. Come on, Corey. Donald. Corey's going for it. Come on, Corey. Roll, roll, roll. Yes, come on. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, yes. Come on, Corey. Come on, Corey. Come on, Corey. No, you can't hit the thing. You made it to the second one. We had at least one shot. That's all that matters. One of these days, guys, someone's going to fly through there. Jason, our last hope. Come on, Jason. Get on the rail, baby. Get on the rail. Hit it. Hit it. Yes. Yes. Find the rail. Find the rail. Get on. Marbles, you're dead to me today. That was so close. We need $148.20. Should we go for a trade just to get it to cross the 5K mark? Should we just do something stupid?
Order filled.
Instantly goes way against me. What do we only need what? 90 like 2? We don't even need the high again.
Order
we just need like right there, I think. You know this is going to shoot down against me, right? That's how this works. Ain't no shot. Ain't no shot this goes straight back up and gives me a fill. All right, so what is that? It was like, actually we need a little bit more, I think. I think we need like 93.50 maybe. Go, baby, go! No, not minis? Ah, why not? I want to see it, but I think not. Oh, well, we're about to find out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No! Come on, man. Are you killing? Look at this.
Order filled.
Now we're in a fight for our life.
Order working.
Oh, come on. At least let me get that one out. Jerk face.
He needs some
Look, it
milk.
won't fill me. It was at my order and it wouldn't fill me. Come on. Come on. Come on, it's right there. You're so close. I don't even think I need that much.
Order
Yes! Let's go. Let's go. We got it. We got that milk. We got that milk. Up $5,030 on one account. Crazy. I mean, we still got a ways to go. We got 9,800 to go. Nah, if you only need 16, you drop the micros. Yeah. You don't mess around with minis when you only need $16. All right, with that said, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm not gonna take any more stupid trades. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, and let's show up ready to trade. Hope you all have a good rest of your day. Until then, peace.
Run.